Hi, this is Jane, and I'll be presenting the final video for my proof of concept for the second phase of OSTkit alpha testing. First, presenting the team. I can be short, it's a one-man show. I'm doing it by myself. Professionally, I'm active in the financial technology sector, where I've been doing enterprise Java development for the last 15 years. So the idea behind my proof of concept was based on two things. One of them, OST, is often dubbed as the WordPress for blockchain because of its ease of use and because it's taken the actual blockchain development out of your blockchain solution, which is quite interesting. And secondly, because reward systems and loyalty points are easy use cases for tokenization, and this makes web shops in particular a good target audience for OSTkit. So it was decided, why not make it easy for those web shop owners to introduce a tokenized reward system based on their own branded token and built on OSTkit. And that was the start of it. I made this plugin for CraftCommerce. CraftCommerce is one of the industry's leading platforms for CMS and commerce solutions. In preparation of the actual plugin, I was in need of an OSTkit PHP client that implemented the REST API of OSTkit. It was not available at the time, so I wrote one myself, and it's available on GitHub. The link to the repository is in the video description below. Just for the fun of it, I also made a Java implementation of OSTkit's REST API, which is also available on GitHub. The plugin itself, how does it work? Well, the idea is that whenever a user registers on your web shop, the plugin will create a corresponding user on OSTkit, and whenever a user completes an order on your web shop, the plugin will automatically assign a predefined amount of tokens to that user as rewards. So integration wise, let's have a look. On the right you see the plugins area of CraftCommerce, and OST loyalty tokens plugin has been installed. It has a settings page where you can safely and securely enter your API key and API secret and all the details needed by the plugin to do its thing. One of the aspects is the transaction type that is executed to assign loyalty tokens to a user. In this case, it's called reward. So if we have a look at the demo shop that comes with CraftCommerce, let's have a look at how the plugin behaves in this sample shop. So first we will create a user. Pay attention to the terminal box on the right here, which shows the tail of the log file. The user was created, user J was created, we got assigned a UUID on OSTkit. So let's have a look and log in with this user. This menu section was added by the plugin, so if we click on it, we get an overview of all transactions assigned to that user. We see none because no orders have been completed yet, but the OSTkit UUID has been registered in your web shop. Total balance is 0 tokens. So let's quickly order some items. Let's order 2. And let's make this dummy payment. The plugin has made some transactions on OSTkit, and let's have a look at the loyalty tokens overview. As we can see here, total balance is 6 tokens, and 3 tokens have been assigned for each line item in the order. Click-throughs are available to OST view, where after a while you can see the nitty-gritty processing details of the transaction. And that's about it. That's how it works. The plugin itself is also available on GitHub, so it's documented. So if you own a CraftCommerce web shop and are looking for a tokenized reward system, have a look at this one. It's open source, MIT licensed, free to use or tear apart, whatever you want to do with it. This concludes my video. I want to thank OST for letting me play with their awesome OSTkit API. It's been a pleasure, and I'm looking forward to all the new cool features that have been implemented in version 1 of the REST API, and I'm really looking forward to the wallet API that's coming in OSTkit alpha 3. Thank you very much. Bye bye.